Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be telling you how to become a billionaire in Grow Garden really fast. And I will just rank the top 3 of my dog foods which I use to become a billionaire as well as 5 billion shekels. Number 1 definitely goes to dragon fruit, and I think, in my opinion, peppers, definitely peppers, deserve number 2, and dragon fruits are number 3, sorry. So, I usually use peppers to get fruits, but after moonlight came into the game, I stopped using peppers and then started using these moonlights. And I usually just do the sprinkler method on them. And if you don't know how to do the sprinkler method, we just have to get 3 basic sprinklers, 3 advanced sprinklers, 2 godlies, and 1 master sprinkler. And then just collect all of your moon melons and then place all the sprinklers. And then after a bit of time, when all these sprinklers run out, you will have big moon melons like this. And I recommend putting 1 or 2 lighting rods, 4 ones that are rainbow and gold. Only put it on or near the ones that are gold and rainbow. Don't put them anywhere else. Don't put them where like the normal ones are. And if you don't know how to get these fingers, you just have to come out to the see here. I got a polish finger and the basic fingers in stock. So I really recommend you just put the auto clicker on the master finger and then just let it stay all night. And that's probably what I always do, so I can farm up on master sprinklers and get water nutrients on my moonlights and get rich. And most of the times, my friends also join me. So if you are also, I have some fruits that are worth like 100 million in them. So if you all want those, you can just comment down below, and you might win one of those. You might get a free 100 million or even 1 billion shekels food from me, and I will just reply to your comment if you want or not. Just comment your Roblox username down below, and that's mostly that I have to say. That's one of in my opinion, that's the best way I have gotten. So thank you for watching, and also comment down below if you need any more tips. I will definitely reply to your comment. And just comment down below if you have any more questions or need any more tips. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.